Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you the Vlookup function in Excel. I have taken a very simple example to demonstrate the usage of this Vlookup function. Now what is the purpose of Vlookup function? First let me explain you that. Now the Vlookup function is used to fetch any result of a lookup value. Like in our example, this is a table for a school teacher, class teacher, where he or she has the roll numbers of the respective students, and she needs the status whether the school kit has been collected by respective parents or not. Now she needs just this simple answer. Now the details of the student details is lies with the accounts team, where every detail, the account department, every detail, this table belongs to account department, whether they maintain, whether the admission fees has been paid or not, whether the school kit has been collected or not. Now the class teacher is only concerned about the new session for nursery, and she wants to know the status of the school kit, whether the school kit has been collected by the respective parents or not. So she just wants this table. Now this is the table where these are the roll numbers of the respective students, and here she needs the update whether the school kit has been delivered or not. Now what accounts department will do, whether they will make this table manually by looking at this table. Now here there are only 10 records, right? But in a school or in other official purpose, we have thousands or millions of records, right? We have large data sets, so it's not possible there to fit manually. So what we will do, we will use VLOOKUP function, right, to fetch the desired results. So what accounts department will do to create this table for class teacher, they will use VLOOKUP function. So here comes the VLOOKUP function. Now the syntax for VLOOKUP function is VLOOKUP bracket open lookup value. What is lookup value? Lookup value is the value with which we will search in other table, right? The value with which we search the result in other table. We can search either with name of the student or with roll number. But I will always suggest that you go for roll number or any IDs, because names can be repetitive, right? Virat can be more than one. Vian can be more than one. Similarly, Arushi in the same class or in same section can be more than one. So it's always better to go with unique ID. So lookup value here I am considering roll number. So I will press here E4. The selection is E4. Column E4 is my lookup value. I'll put comma as the syntax suggests. Then it's saying table array. Table array is which table? This table. This complete table which belongs to the accounts department, where accounts department maintains each and every details about each student, right? So I will select this complete table array and I'll press F4 to make the cells absolute, and I'll put comma to move to the next syntax, that is column index number. What is column index number? Column index number is the column number where we will look for the result. Here in our case, column I is the column index number, or column I is the column where we will look for the desired result. But the number, column number is how many which number of column it is. That is, our table array starts from E4 to I13, right? But which number of column it is? In this table it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in our table it is fifth column. So we will simply put fifth column, and then we will select false. We will always select false because it will return the exact value. Otherwise, if we select true, it will return the closest value. But we should always look for the exact result. So we will put false and we will close our bracket and we will hit enter. So you see, we got the desired result. If we check here for Virat, it is collected. Now what we will do, we will simply drag the result to the last cell and it will fill all the records. See, Virat parents has collected the school kit. Hari has not collected. Riyan not collected. Arohi, Priyanka, then Rahul, Tanya, Shushant all has collected. Only 4 of the ward's parents has not collected the school kit. In that case, class teacher will send a reminder to the parents to collect the respective school kit, right? So this is our VLOOKUP function. So I hope with this very easy example, this VLOOKUP function is clear to you all. I'll suggest you all to practice this formula with this example or any other example so that you become proficient in using VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is used in each and every tasks, particularly those who are looking for MIS job. Please do learn this VLOOKUP formula. For other videos also, other Excel related videos, you please subscribe my channel so that you get notification and also have a look at those videos. Thank you.